Alright guys, got my new headset. Okay guys, quick story. This actually arrived late last night for no damn reason. So I'm gonna unbox it today. And yeah, let's start with the video. Alright guys, after 10 years of struggle, I finally opened this up. Right, so let's take the first layer out. Not this. Let's take the actual headphones out. I'm doing this one hand, so guys, don't judge me. Headphones, see this? Yoink. Okay, so let's take this layer out. Ooh, sounds fun. The Razer Kraken X. Look at this. Oof. Looks clean. Looks absolutely clean. Look at this. From Razer. Ooh. I'm so hyped to actually start using this. 7.1 surround sound allows stereo. Who needs that? And I think this has its own built-in software as well, so even better. Lightweight, big cushions, and better quality mic. Compatible with PC, Mac, PS4, Switch, Xbox, and smartphone. So yeah. Alright. So let's open this up. Alright guys, so I removed this annoying tape over here. Alright, so let's go. Ooh, first in the box we get leaflet. Ooh. Okay, so I can actually, is this a software thing? Yeah, I think this is software, so I can download the 7.1 surround sound software thing. And then codes by this. So this is mine, no one's gonna see the code. And oh damn, some thick leaflet, alright. What else? Oh yeah. The headphones itself. Ooh. Oh my god. Look at that. It's so thick. Oof, let's open this up guys. Alright, so guys, open it up. So on the box it comes with this, so with this, so the cushion of the headphones don't wear out. And this actually feels nice as well, so oof, it feels so nice. Right, so headphones up, let's take this out. Somehow start from here. This is a struggle with one thing hand guys. Big struggle. Just go do. Oh. I'm gonna stop the video and start recording once I take it out. Okay guys, so after 10 years of struggle, finally got it out. Alright, so it comes with the two headphone jacks, which is meant for PC, the audio and the microphone. And then the headphone jack itself, so looks like comes on a 90-degree angle instead of a straight one, so it's fine. And yeah, these headphones, ooh, they look so clean. And guys, for sound test, I'm going to wear the headphones and show you guys. And guys, by the way, I'm using earphones which came from Apple. So yeah, quick comparison right now. Alright guys, so this is a sound test. These are new headphones. If this feels awesome, the noise cancellation on this thing is epic. I can't hear myself. Alright guys, so this is sound test. Alright, this is my sound testing. 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Alright guys, also comes with a mute button. So let me show you now. So guys, you probably saw there's a mute button and a volume button. I don't know if you could see it because of the lights, but I'll put a photo of that right now on screen. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to outro right off here. The way I'm putting my headphone right now is so weird. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.